Hey guys, it's me, Annabella Rose, your expert dating coach, back from karmalifestyles.com. The big day is finally here. Yes, the webinar is happening today. Wow, I have been waiting a long time for this day, and so much anticipation and joy has come into creating this. So guys, let me tell you that the numbers are huge. I'm genuinely humbled by each and every one of you that is showing your support and interest, and of course have signed up. We are fully booked. Well, we were for the second time, but we managed to wangle some extra room and be able to create some more spaces to fit the huge number of people that wanted to sign up for this webinar. So if you haven't already done it, you need to now, because I don't think we can create any more space. They are filling up fast. Now, as I said, only a few left, so click that link in the description box below and click on the card above and sign in to secure your spot. Now, as you know, I've been a dating coach for rather a long time, and I've helped a lot of you guys become a far more confident version of yourselves and increase the success that you have with women. Seduction and making women crazy in bed is one of the things that I pride myself on, and also is one of the biggest challenges that you guys face. It's normal because these are skills that you don't really learn firsthand. You have to master them over time. Mastering the art of seduction can be done in so many ways depending on who you are and your personality. A shy, introverted guy will not use the same seduction techniques as an outgoing, extroverted guy. This is why I've come up with very different sections and techniques of seduction so that it's going to cater to all the personalities, no matter who you are. Now, a woman's biggest sexual organ is her mind. I've said this a million times. So it's important to master seduction techniques that target this. Women look for different things in guys. Some women are attracted to guys with superior confidence, while others want a guy who's really got a great sense of humor. The most important thing during a seduction is to know what your woman wants. If your seduction techniques solves the missing parts that she's looking for, then you're going to take her home with you. Seducing a woman to seduce you is the most efficient way to get a woman. Now, this technique applies to any personality, and that is what makes it foolproof. Women like a guy who can pose a challenge to them. I mean, I love a challenge. One mistake that guys make is trying to create a connection with a woman by befriending them. Now, you want her to see you for the innocent, sweet, nice guy that you are. However, this is how you then fall into the friend zone because you're playing it way too safe. Women want a guy who inspires a sexual attraction. We want a guy who's caring, but with a little douse of danger, a little bit of mystery, and possesses this unexplainable wicked charm. During this webinar, we're going to look at how you can turn around the seduction tables. Most beautiful women feel like they have the upper hand when you come to pursue them. However, if you make her believe that you are the valuable one, she's going to run after you. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you a little bit of a preview of what we're going to talk about in that webinar, all about that. Understand her needs. We want a man, but what do we need? Seducing beautiful women can be very intimidating because she looks like she has it all. Men who approach her only want her as a trophy and don't think that she can be anything more. If you want to seduce her into seducing you, then you have to understand her needs. Some of the most beautiful women build walls to protect themselves because everybody looks at them as if they're this perfect being. Sometimes we just need a person we can talk to and who's going to listen to us sincerely. And once you've identified her need, it becomes easy for you to stand out from any other suitor that walks her way. This attribute and skill makes you indispensable to her, and she's going to seduce you if she notices any form of disconnection. The power of the mysterious man. Now, when you are given a gift in a box and you're told to wait for a week to open it, imagine how anxious and interested you're going to be to find out what's in the contents of that box. Now, don't get me wrong, it's good to be open with the women you want, but maintaining the aspect of mysterious guy is sexy. Women are very attracted to guys who have mastered the art of mystery. When there's always something new that she's going to be able to discover about you, she'll become very interested in you and what's going to be unraveled in the future. Mystery guys prey on timing and vulnerability. When you notice that her interest and curiosity in you has grown, that's the time when you pull back. Now, it's a funny trick. Women unconsciously will then be drawn in as you pull away to maintain the connection. Be yourself. Guys create a perception of what they think a woman wants and then structure themselves to try and fit into that. Now, you can easily be turned into a yes man when you restructure yourself to fit into a perception that you've created. Also, beautiful women are kind of used to getting their way, and when you agree to disagree, it becomes a new concept. You become a person that intrigues her with your values and your view on life. That's going to create this interest and this curiosity that will make her seduce you when you start pulling away. Now, all of these are just some of the areas that we're going to cover during this webinar. But the webinar is going to benefit you in so many more ways. Mastering the art of seduction and making women crazy in bed can increase your sex appeal and make you irresistible. There are seduction techniques that are used to break barriers or test the water. I'm going to share with you all of this information and even more during my webinar. Now, at the very end, we're also going to have a live Q&A session where you can talk to me one-on-one and ask me all the questions that are burning in your brain. Now, I want to help you personalize the seduction techniques that I'm going to give you and I'm going to share with you, and also your personality that's going to make women crazy in bed. If you have any questions at all on this webinar's topic, I'm going to address it with you during the Q&A session. We only do have a few spots left, so if you do have any questions that you do want to ask me, take this opportunity and sign up for the webinar right now if you haven't already. Now, to do so, all you need to do is click on the link in the description section below or click on the card above. It's going to sign up, it's completely free. And I'm super excited to see you all later at the webinar. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.